My next guest is Zach Tompkins, a junior mechanical engineering student and the vice regent of the Kappa Beta chapter of Theta Tau. Zach, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
Let's start with the most basic question for our viewers. What is Theta Tau?
Theta Tau is a national co-ed professional engineering fraternity. We accept all majors, or all students who are majoring in any facet of engineering at every university that we are there. Kappa Beta is the Mississippi State chapter, and we have chapters at MU chapters in Alabama, and we have chapters all over the country.
Okay. And I know you guys have an important event coming up soon. Why don't you talk about that?
Yeah, we have Theta Talks coming up. It's a lecture series style event. We have 5 speakers that are going to come in and talk about things that have affected them in their field and kind of give us a direction for where we think the future is going to be for engineering and the engineering students. We normally don't cater specifically to engineering for this event, but over the past several semesters we wind up getting a lot of engineering students, as we are an engineering fraternity, and we've wound up with a little bit more engineering assistants this time.
Okay. Can you talk about a couple of the speakers, maybe, who they are and some of their topics?
Okay. First, we're going to have Thomas Walker. He's a PE and an industrial and systems engineer. We're going to have Dr. Cindy Bethel. She's an associate professor here at Mississippi State in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. We're going to have the Student Veterans Association is going to give us a couple of speakers. They're going to. I know one of them is going to talk about taking responsibility for your actions. I believe there's a couple more that are going to be doing shorter segments, and I'm not quite sure what they're going to be doing yet. We've got Daniel Christ, who is an electrical engineering alumni and also an alumni of Kappa Beta chapter. He's the CEO and founder of a game company that he actually started here at Mississippi State in the entrepreneurship program. And then we're closing with Dr. Carrie Olson. She works in the chief director's office with NASA and is over the payloads operations for the International Space Station. She has a very long title, and I really hope I got that right.
Right. And I guess we should make sure we get in the date and time and location.
Yeah. It is Wednesday, the 25th, from 6 to 8 in Taylor Auditorium in McCool.
Okay, fantastic. And it sounds like from what you said that Theta Tau really can provide some important opportunities for engineering students. What would you say are the important things that Theta Tau can provide, both career-wise and otherwise?
Well, we sort of focus on 2 main areas, and that's professional development and brotherhood. Through the professional development aspects tend to help in the on campus and off campus in your career and beyond. We've done events like resume reviews and events like Theta Talks, where we just bring people in to talk about things. One of our most recent one, we had someone come in that was in charge of the recruitment for one of the electrical companies in Tennessee, and she just kind of came in and told us about things to do in a career fair type setting and how to handle yourself in an interview and things of that nature to kind of help give people an edge. And we also do a lot of the things that other social fraternities do and build bonds and really develop a network for students who are going into the professional world to make connections at various places that they may wind up. We have members that are currently interning at NASA and some that are working in Oxford and all over the country in various industries.
Okay. And how large is Theta Tau nationally, internationally, outside of Mississippi? I assume it's a fairly large organization.
It is. It is a very large organization, and I honestly can't speak to the size of it right now. I truthfully don't know the number of members or the number of chapters off the top of my head.
But it exists. Is it an international, or is it mainly just a national?
It is just a national.
Just a national organization.
Right.
Okay. Zach, it's been a pleasure speaking with you today. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
That's all we have time for today. Remember that you can follow us on social media through Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at MSU Engineering. Thanks for being with us.